Gift. That's why you need the luggage in the back. What's going on, broskies? I'm on my way to Revzilla in Brooklyn, and then I'm gonna head to Will Hughes in New York City. Just gotta pass the Jorge Washington Bridge here, and then we're in the war zone. How cool is this? A tunnel inside a bridge. Maybe I should go a little bit like this too, eh? Ah, screw it. The thing is, I have the big luggage in the back. Imagine it gets caught somewhere. Like it gets caught in between two mirrors. Bam! The bike does a wheelie. That's a lot of locomotion going on here. Quita. Giusto. Man, you need like an enduro here again. I gotta bring an enduro down here. What the heck is this? It's like a big bridge here. I never noticed it before. HAYABUSA. It's like a locomotion here. See you later, you dickheads. Oh shit, that was a cop. That was just a car stopped. Yeah, so I'm staying in New Jersey this week, and I was like, let me go do this attraction and to make a video, kill some time, you know. Let's see what we get out of it. HAYABUSA, bitches! Alright, broskis, I'm gonna have to go a little bit like this. Otherwise, by the time I get to Revzilla, it's gonna be closed. Man, that's a lot of freaking cars. Let me see, can I get the freak out of here? I gotta go enter like a choo-choo. It's a lot of freaking locomotion going on here, man. I got Misu. See, he knows how to get around. Think I could go like this? Like a chuchu a little bit? Nobody's gonna notice. Ooh. Malaka. Πάλι κάρα, στη θελαστιάκια. Anna? That was funny. The little kid was calling like a taxi. Oh shit, what happened to that car? Okay, where the freak is this place? Almost there, broski's. Almost there again. Oh shit. Oh shit, we made it. Okay, let me park the Gauka. Let me park the big ship. Σας είδηγα ρε μάλακα trials. Ο μπούστη ρε φίλε. Okay broskis, we made it. Finally. You want to see a cool part of driving like a gyuftos with a valitsaki? This is it right here. You put your helmet in here and you don't gotta worry anything. I checked it out, it was okay. Just something I took off my to-do list because I wanted to check it out ever since they opened, so I finally did. There were a few thingies that I liked, but everything is a couple $100, so I'm like, let me peacefully walk out of here before I do something. Man, what is this car? Never seen one before. A Nissan? What kind of Nissan is? Oh, 370Z whatever. Agamisu. That's what now Rambo. At least he can run. I can't even run. Oh, am I gonna take the Brooklyn Bridge? Ah shit, I'm gonna take the Brooklyn Bridge, oh. So I'm finally taking the Brooklyn Bridge. It's like all this time going to Brooklyn, I never took the Brooklyn Bridge. Hallelujah. Where the heck? Did I mess up again? Okay, I'm gonna make a left somewhere here at the light, right? A left? Okay. it's showing me like I'm inside the buildings. No wonder why I mess up. I guess all the skyscrapers here messes up the signal or something. Imagine I leave the Hayabusa, take one of these, be like, yo, I'm here, bitches. Agamesu. That's what I call a horn. Okay, let me make sure there's no dopies flying through here. What the frick is this chimney? Look at this shit. What do they have, like a freaking nuclear power plant underneath or something? Okay, we're almost there, broskies. Let's see, let's see. It's after the traffic light. Okay, I think I see some bikes. Let's see. Dolar bakayım file. Okay, finally made it, broskis. Jesus, that's a lot of shit going on here. Alright, broskies. It was pretty cool. I saw some guys I know. Check out this Land Rover. This is pretty cool, man. Unique. Alright, broskis, I'm gonna head back to the hotel. Alright, broskis, I made it back to the hotel. I don't know how the heck my camera is still on, but it is. Of course, so everybody took the good spots. Okay, I'll see you in the next one, broskis.